This is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live short review. The Galaxy Beans or Live was somewhat a controversial product when it was first leaked and rumoured online because it looked weird and abnormal compared to normal earbuds. However, the design has grown on many people over time, and by the time it was announced by Samsung, it seems like most people enjoy the new design because it looks different and it looks bold. So the setup for the Galaxy Buds Live is easy on Samsung phone. It already comes pre-installed with the Galaxy wearable app. You should just connect to Bluetooth and the app should take care of everything. Even if you don't have a Samsung phone, if you have OnePlus or Sony or even an iPhone, you can download the wearables app and it should be the same process, but you might be missing a few features here and there, such as gaming mode is not available on non-Samsung phones. The Buds Live supports gestures just like the Buds Plus. Tapping it once will play and pause the music, tapping it twice will skip it, and tapping it 3 times will rewind the music you're listening to. And I made sure to update to the latest software update. Another thing to note is that you are able to toggle ambient sound mode on the Buds Plus by holding it for a long amount of time. However, on the Buds Live, if you tap it for a long time, it turns on active noise cancellation mode. If you want to turn on ambient sound mode, you have to go deep inside the settings just to turn ambient sound mode on, which is kind of strange. Another new feature that the Buds Live have introduced is Bixby Wake Up. So just like on the Pixel Buds, when you say "Hey Google" on the Pixel Buds and Google Assistant pops up, now on the Buds Live, whenever you say "Hey Bixby" or "Hi Bixby," it will respond, which is useful because your phone is deep inside your pocket. You could say "Hey Bixby, what is 2 add 2?" and it would say 6 because that's the correct answer. Another thing to note is that the Buds Live case is much easier to open one-handed compared to the Buds Plus. As noted from the unboxing video, the charging cable provided by Samsung is USB-A to USB-C, not the USB-C to USB-C that they're now providing in the new Samsung phones. The Buds Live can be charged with USB-C at the back of the case and it should quickly charge. However, you can also wirelessly charge, so you can drop it on a wireless charger pad, or you can turn on wireless power share on your new Samsung phones or Huawei phones, and you can use your phone to charge the Buds. The Buds Live has an open ear type design compared to the Buds Plus. Even though it has an open ear type design, the bass is still surprisingly really good, if not better than the Buds Plus. Alright, now it's time to talk about the price. In the UK, the Buds Plus cost around £160, and the Buds Live, they cost around £180. You have to consider that other earphones such as Pixel Buds or AirPods Pro, they cost a lot more. For example, the AirPods Pro I think is around £250, and the Pixel Buds is around £180. So for the same price of the Pixel Buds, you could get the Buds Plus, which I think has much better features and has much better support and stability, because there were a lot of people complaining about the stability issues on the Pixel Buds, such as the sound dropping out, connection dropping out, Bluetooth issues. However, on the Buds Plus, there is no issues like that. So I'd say the Buds Live are reasonably priced. Alright, here's the controversial part for these earbuds. The active noise cancellation. These are not the active noise cancellation you'd be expecting from expensive Bose or Microsoft Surface headphones. The noise cancellation is quite poor and it only blocks out about 10% of the noise, so you can basically hear everything else like people talking, things like that. The only thing that is cancelled out is low humming sounds or just low sounds in general. You can still hear your own voice, but that is the downside when you have an open ear design compared to the sealed design of the Buds Plus. Overall, the Buds Live are a decent upgrade from the original Buds. However, it may not be worth it upgrading from the new Buds Plus. Here's the conclusion. If you like music and you like sealing out the noise as much as possible, or you want to work out and exercise, get the Buds Plus. However, if you hate the stuffy sealed design and it makes you uncomfortable of the Buds Plus and prefer an open ear type design and you really need a good microphone for phone calls or video chatting, consider going for the Buds Live because it has really good microphones and it doesn't feel as stuffy and uncomfortable. Also, quickly forgot to mention this, the Buds Live has many sound profiles within the Galaxy wearable app. The first is normal sound profile. I dislike this sound profile because it sounds flavorless and the music quality isn't as good as you'd expect it to be. The bass boost option is good. It gives you plenty of bass when you're listening to music. However, it doesn't sound really good and it does kind of sound muffled. I personally use dynamic sound mode because it gives the best of both worlds. It gives you high, rich quality sound and it gives you good amount of bass to work with. And that was the Buds live review.